This is the side panel. There are 2 side panels in every cabinet. Place the side panel flat down, ensuring the side of the connector holes are facing upwards. All Classic brand products are built starting with the side panel. Put the dowels into the holes of the side panel. Find the bottom panel and connect the wooden connectors into the remaining holes. Find the drawer divider bar and connect them to the side panel. Find the 2 back tension bars and connect them to the side panel. Find the top tension bar and connect it to the side panel. Rotate the cabinet 180 degrees and connect the kick plate into the side panel. Find the back panel and slide it into the groove. Put the dowels into the top holes and then connect the other side panel on top. Now put in all of the cam locks and lock them tightly. This is the last step of the cabinet box before we move on to drawer assembly. These are the components to build a drawer. Place the side drawer panel flat down and then insert the back drawer panel perpendicular to it for it to connect. Use a rubber mallet to carefully knock them in place. Find the front drawer panel and connect it to the side drawer panel. Find the bottom drawer panel and slide it down the groove. Find the second side drawer panel and connect it to the top of the drawer. Flip the drawer upside down and take 2 plastic clips and place them on the bottom corner of the drawer box facing the front. Use the screws to attach the plastic clips to the drawer box. Only 2 to 3 screws will be required per clip. Find the metal drawer slides and place them on the drawer tension bar. Use the screws to attach the sliders to the side panel. Pull out the slider and mount the drawer box to the slider. Pull the tip of the slider towards a plastic clip. A click sound will indicate a proper connection. When drawer is pulled out, the plastic clips should be able to pull the slider as well. Install the hinges on the door. Screw it in place.